Hello, thanks for your contacting with us. And my name is Jagannath Misra. I am the head business international. Our company means we have four manufacturing plants in India. Among them, two are running. First one is Protect Telelinks, which is dedicated for manufacturing of injection. I mean beta lactam, non-beta lactam, and also cephalosporin group. And another plant is Penam Biosciences, which is dedicated for injection manufacturing of non-beta, I mean general product. And Penna Biosciences is dedicated for only European country, I mean UGMP compliance company. And we came from Yamunanagar. Distance from Yamunanagar, Hyderabad is more, but we are very interested in this field as Hyderabad conducting the IPEX in this year, and Hyderabad is very good managing inside the IPEX also, and thanks to my Pharmaxil. Thanks.